Hey everybody, this is Scott with Apple Chevrolet here in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today we're looking at one of our new pre-owned vehicles on our lot. This is a 2018 Honda CRV. This vehicle is equipped with all-wheel drive and a 1.5 liter 4-cylinder engine, meaning it is very fuel efficient, and there are also some pretty nice options on this vehicle. See the very nice wheels, everything's in good shape. You have the leather interior with the wood trim throughout and the beautiful black leather seats. A nice large touchscreen entertainment system and a very user-friendly dash. You can see this vehicle has just over 18,000 miles on it, and it is priced right around $28,000, and it's even touched off with a sunroof for that nice weather we've been having lately. Please let us know if we can answer any questions for you about this CRV or any other vehicle on our lot. We've got our entire inventory listed online at applechevy.com, and you can also contact our sales department at 708-429-3000. That's 708-429-3000. Thank you so much.